Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel called Becoming Green. I am Andy, and we are just your average family taking small steps to living a more eco-minimalistic lifestyle. If you want to follow us on this journey, or you think you might like this kind of content, please give us a like or subscribe to the channel. We are also on Facebook and Instagram if you want to hop over there and give us a follow. About a year ago, we were looking at what kind of household swaps that we could make. After a pretty exhaustive list of various products and companies, we decided to start swapping out our laundry products. So we did a price comparison between what we were spending then on our normal products and then some of the more eco-friendlier products that were available. There are some really great eco-friendly laundry products available like Blue Land, True Earth, Drops, Earth Breeze, and Sheets Laundry Club. I'm going to put a link to all of their websites below in the description if you want to check them out. However, at the end of the day, we decided on Sheets Laundry Club and we love them. So as you can see, they ship everything with a nice little note in a recyclable box with all of the shipping materials are all recyclable or biodegradable, which cuts out any kind of plastic bottles for your normal laundry detergent that just fill up our dumps, our landfills, and our oceans. And all of the individual products are all in recyclable or biodegradable packaging as well. Just add a sheet to your laundry on top, and that's it. It's really easy. And then they have these scent boosters that smell really great. Then just add a dryer sheet, and these dryer sheets, once complete, are biodegradable, or you can throw them in the trash and they'll degrade in your landfills. And that's it.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe.